My name is Patricia Martinez, and I am currently pursuing a degree in marketing at the University of Illinois at Chicago. I am 20 years old and the first in my family to attend a four-year university. With the aspiration to graduate by fall 2015, I hope to use my degree to become part of the creative world of marketing for sports companies, along with upcoming businesses. Growing up in such a diverse city also sparked my interest in how people interact on both a business and social level. Knowing what people want is part of my career. I've worked with consulting business owners on how to market their products and services towards elastic clients. Last spring, I studied abroad in Spain and had the opportunity to intern at a local gym to further expose myself to international diversity. This internship gave me a better understanding of different cultures and how to network on a global scale. The experience itself molded me as a person. Not only did it highlight my strengths of interacting with others, but it also drew me further to want to explore new horizons and drove me to want to be the best I can be. It made me question what I truly wanted to get out of my higher education, and it redefined what it was for me to actually accomplish something that was not accomplished in my family before. As a driven individual, I have been able to get this far on my own, but I hope to get even farther. Things do not just happen, things are made to happen.